Good morning. Today we are having a CX8 2017 model, and this is a beautiful car. I want to start you off with a brief preview about it, and definitely comes in with the SkyActiv technology. There you have it. It's a fuel efficiency method which Mazda uses on its car. So we have an electric tailgate which is just automatic, as you can see over there. Yes, there you have it, and that's how you lock it. So quickly, as we're taking you through the car's identity, we have the VIN plate, the chassis number, and the engine. And just for your info, it's a 7-seater vehicle with, as you can see there, with really good legroom. And let me show you the location of the VIN plate, which is just found on the right hand side door pillar. There you go. And as for the chassis number, is found just below the driver's mat. There you have it. And you can see it has multifunctional power steering, 6 SRS airbags for security, and a digital audio with a really good proximity sensors, and a very nice console box with cup holders and automatic transmission. A 4-wheel drive to be specific, with a really cool interior music system, JBL speakers on the door pillars, on the windscreen pillars, and also on the door. To the engine number, which is found on the hood, is found on the left hand side of this 2.5-liter diesel engine. Is found on the left hand side, and I'm gonna try and show you the location, and I'm gonna zoom in. Let's try to make it clear, but there you have it. That's the CX8 SkyActiv technology. Stay tuned for more.